And we have some breaking updates as well coming in at this point in time. Even as probe in this case is underway, now we are learning that the Karnataka government is planning some big changes, and these changes could be around protocol. And Karnataka's Home Minister has confirmed this development 2 times now. He has also asked the DGP to look into the matter. That's the big update that we are getting for you. First update from Karnataka Home Minister, because the kind of details that have emerged so far, they clearly suggest that perhaps Rania Rao was part of some kind of a gold smuggling syndicate. Otherwise, how is it possible that she made some, 5 trips to Dubai in 15 days before she was apprehended, and she made as many as 10 trips in last 2 months only. And the DRI officials are of the view, on the basis of intelligence that they had on her, the inputs that they've managed to gather after the investigation, it seems to suggest that she was in fact part of some kind of a gold smuggling syndicate. For more on this, let me straight away go across to my colleague Deepak Bopana joining us live right now. Deepak, tell us a little bit about what the Karnataka Home Minister is referring to. Some kind of change in protocol is expected?
Now, several questions have come up after, the reports that she has made multiple trips with gold from Dubai and to Bengaluru, that there should be some changes, especially for the kin of bureaucrats who get some sort of protocol exit from the Bengaluru airport. This question was asked to the Karnataka Home Minister, who has now said that concerned officials in the police department have been asked to look into this. Now, we should understand, as far as the Bengaluru airport is concerned, it's not just the state government, but also the central forces that also get involved. CISF primarily looks into security there. But as far as state government is concerned, protocols of exit from the airport could be given to bureaucrats and their families. Right now, there could be some changes, is what we're expecting after this particular incident. The Home Minister has said if the need arises, then necessary changes would be made, and the officials have been asked to look into the same.
All right, Deepak, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with those details. Let's now listen in to what exactly Karnataka's Home Minister has to say.
No, I don't know. I mean, we are looking at it because no. Our protocol we can change, but whatever the protocol followed by the CISF on those people, that I have asked the DG to look into it, and DPR has to do that. And once the DGP and the DPR sit together, work out whatever is required.
And with this, we will slip into another very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Don't go anywhere.